I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing my shop my stash for the month of September. So I do have a few empties here. We're going to talk about all the products that I used throughout the month. We're going to go into my collection. We're going to pick out some new products, and then we're going to come back and put everything back into these drawers. So if you want to see my thoughts on the products from last month and the new products I choose, just keep on watching. So as I mentioned, I do have a few empties right here. Don't look at my messy mirror. I need to clean it. First off, I did finish up the Major Digit primer from Temu. You guys know I was really in love with this product and I finally finished it. So this is going to be going in my empties. I am debating whether I want to repurchase because it was actually really good, but I also do want to find like new primers on there to see which ones I love and find other ones that I can enjoy and also recommend to you. So this one's actually a really good one. If you're on the site and you see it, it's a good one. You should pick it up, try it out. It is very hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. I think you're really gonna enjoy this. So that was one. Finished up this Italian Deluxe Relief Gripping Primer. So as you guys know, if you guys watch my Shop My Stash, I didn't pick this out for the month, but I did go ahead and finish up, oh yes, the Major Digit one. So I went ahead and put this one in its place. And although it looks like there's product in there, I cannot get in there and it's not like coming out or anything. So this one's actually a really good primer and definitely would repurchase. Lastly, for my empties, I have the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray. And yeah, this one's just amazing. I used to use it so much, so I'm not surprised that it finished up. This one's very like glowy vibes. So if you like that glow, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. I think it was a little too much for me. Honestly, I didn't realize how much glow it would give me till the end, like towards the end of using this product, but it's actually really nice. And again, if you're in the specific mood of wanting to look super glowy, I think you're really gonna enjoy this product. And again, this is just a mini size, so they do sell the full size at Sephora. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the bottom section. We have the Shiglam Moonside Highlight. You guys know there's like nothing to say about this. I love it. It's amazing. Girl, look at the imprint. It's rubbing off. I use this all the time. It's amazing. So I'm kind of sad because I love it so much that I kind of don't want to put it back, but I have to. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out now. But amazing. I love this. We have the Glam Light Kisses palette. This is the special dark edition. Purple vibes. Really much enjoyed using this, which actually just reminded me I have the other palette right there. This is amazing, and I definitely recommend if you see them at TJ Maxx or Marshalls on sale. They're usually like $10. Pick one of these up. They're such a good quality palette, especially this purple one. I really much enjoy. You guys know I love the color purple in general and pink. I think just like it's so easy to create a look with this palette, and these shades blend out so beautifully. I love Glam Light's formula, so really enjoyed using this throughout the month. Before we get into the other palette, we also had this face palette from Temu pulled as well. So this is the, oh gosh, it has like a weird name. It just says face press powder palette. I'm gonna have it down below of my last Shop My Stash, but this is amazing. This is so good, but the only thing I don't love about it is the highlights. They're just a little too glimmery for me. However, the bronzer can be a little muddy at times, but if you really do go in and really blend it out on your face, it looks really nice. Blush is amazing. So yeah, really enjoyed using this as well. Love that it comes with a mirror. I definitely enjoyed both of the palettes that I pulled, but Ethereal was definitely a top favorite. I used it twice in my Get Ready With Me for work for the first week of work. So that's going to be down below if you didn't watch on my Instagram. But girl, this is amazing. And it's crazy to have pulled the same palette twice. That's how you know I really love it. So yeah, these colors are just so beautiful, especially this shade right here. It's just a stunning palette, and again, also the formula is amazing in this one as well. So definitely recommend as well. If you see these palettes, they also have a green one. Definitely recommend. We have a pressed powder from Beauty Creations. To be honest, I did not reach for this as much as I thought I would. It's actually really nice, but I reached for this a whole lot. This is the Shiglam Velvet Oil Control Powder. As you guys know, this is a top favorite. So this is what I was reaching for the month, just because it's so quick and easy, and it's a pressed powder, and the loose powder is just, I feel like it takes longer. So really loved and enjoyed this as well. Had both of the Beauty Creations products. We had their bronzer and their blush. Both of them are amazing. Love them. If you didn't see, I have the Beauty Creations Down to Earth bronzer. And yeah, this is such a good color for me. I was reaching for the face palette a lot more, but this one's really good as well. And then we also had the Beauty Creations blush. And this one here is in Vibing With You, which is just a pinky kind of moment. Stunning. The Revolution XX Mojo Jojo palette. Girl, beautiful. I love this. I'm so happy that I own it. It's so amazing because it comes with 3 different highlights, but you can definitely mix and match your favorite shade or whatever. Stunning. Love this. All right, both of the Venetian Romance products are so good and I really enjoyed using them. However, I forgot how pigmented these are. So if you own these, definitely, or you're planning on purchasing them, they're extremely pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. Like I'm telling you, you don't need that much when it comes to these products right here. They're so ultra pigmented. It was a little hard to blend them out, but they're nice. Just when I'm feeling that vibe, I'll reach for these. But girl, for like every day, I don't know if I would use these because again, they're like extremely pigmented. It's crazy. The Profusion liquid highlight, this one here's in the shade Blossom. Stunning product. It's a little bit glittery, but I really enjoyed using it. We had the Infallible foundation. Amazing, girl. I love this product. So that's why I continue to purchase it, but I use mine in, oh gosh, it's a little messy. I use mine in the shade Natural Buff and it works out really good for me, so I really enjoy this. We had the Malibu Glitz Smoothing Primer. This one here is in the shade 02. Love this. You guys know I always love that. I also pulled this in the place of the Milk Makeup Setting Spray. As I mentioned, I did finish that up. So this is the You Can Be Never Change Setting Spray. Kind of wanted to see if I could finish this up. However, it's actually a really good setting spray, so I'm glad that I still have some in here. In the place of the other primer that I finished up, I pulled the City Color Clear Canvas Primer. It's a liquid primer. I did mention it in my favorites video, or I will be, because it is so good. It's such an amazing primer and I just feel like it goes under the radar in my collection, but it's so amazing. It's very much like watery vibes, but once it blends in, it firms your skin so beautifully and it gives you a little bit of a tact. It is so good. The thing that kind of disappointed me was this Angelina Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. This one is from Temu and it's just like spilling out of here. It's annoying me so much. I almost feel like just getting rid of it. I really love the formula. However, I don't know what's going on with it that's coming out of the packaging. I don't know what's happening, but it's so good. It's just kind of annoying because it gets everywhere. So I'm gonna have to definitely clean this up. But yeah, I love, again, the formula is amazing. It's just annoying to use. So we had a lipstick from She Glam. This one here is in the shade Don't Hesitate. You guys know this is a favorite and I definitely used it so much throughout the month. I really love this formula, girl. It's just so good. I'm telling you, you guys should try it out, especially if you love a matte lipstick that's not going to move throughout the day, that's pigmented, that you can layer. You're going to love this. Lip gloss of the month was the Awa Studio Candy Pop lip gloss in the shade Bubble. Amazing. You guys know I literally reach for this all the time. We have the LA Colors lip gloss in Mixed Berries, another goodie. I just use this for whenever I was prepping my lips for makeup. Mascara was the e.l.f. Big Mood. I think I had, did I have another one in here? No. So good as well. You guys know it's a favorite. I pulled a lot of favorites. Bromination, girl. Oh my gosh. So with this, if you want to throw it on and you don't want your brows to move, you need this in your life. This gives you like laminated vibes. Your brows are not going to move throughout the day. They can be waterproof almost. Go swimming with this and I think your brows will stay in place. Amazing product. So really enjoyed using that. Also this liner. I was really into the Le Mercier Midnight Black liquid liner from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this wasn't in my Shop My Stash, but I just went ahead and added the She Glam 2-in-1 brow pencil. I love this product. Cannot stop using that. We have the Be Bold liquid pigment. I didn't use at all. I'm kind of sad about it. So I did pull 2 of the You Can Be lip liners. I did use one of them the most. I think it's the most purpley one, but these are actually really good formula. They're just a little too creamy, but they're still good. I still use them. Any Cosmetics liner in purple, I think I used once. iMethod Beauty, I used a whole lot of times. e.l.f. I didn't really use this month, but it's actually such an amazing liner. That's why I keep pulling it. It's so good. We have a Artista liquid liner in purple. LA Colors lip gloss. This one's so beautiful. I love how you see that. It just looks super shimmery. This one here is in the shade Dreamy Pink. L'Oreal liquid lipstick. Honestly, I didn't use it this month, but it's so amazing. I love the color. This one here is in Candyman. I don't know why I just wasn't reaching for it. I was definitely using the lipstick a lot more than this one. City Color liquid liner. You guys know I love adding a little bit of an accent to my liner, so I really enjoyed this. The glitter, I honestly didn't use. This is the Italia Deluxe Glam Glitz liquid glitter in the shade B4. I don't know why I didn't use this. And lastly, AWA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tease. I think I just used in my Get Ready With Me video. Other than that, I didn't really reach for this, but this is the last product. Let's go ahead and get into my collection so you guys can see what I picked for the new month. All right, so for sure, I already picked out the palette that I'm going to be using for the month of September. And it's the Full Fantasy by Laura Lee and Manny MUA. I've actually had this palette for quite a few months now. I just haven't filmed the video with it, but it's actually a really good quality palette. Let me show you guys the inside. So as you can see, you get some colorful tones, you get some everyday tones. They look so beautiful. So I'll definitely be using this palette, and I think this is the only palette I'll be pulling for this month. Then right here, let's just get into the highlights and bronzers and all that. So kind of don't have any specific you know, theme for this month. I just kind of want to use products that I love or that I want to try a little more. Honestly, a lot of these I've already tried. I want to pull this, but you guys know I always pull that, so no. The Studio Perfect powder. We have the Wet n Wild one. We have the Physicians Formula. Okay, Metamorphosis. I don't have that many. I mean, maybe just this LA Colors one that I don't use too often. Yeah, I'll just pull the LA Colors bronzer in the shade Beach Babe. All right, next we have blush. So I actually haven't used this Lizzie McGuire in such a long time. I'll probably have to film a video using that collection again. ColourPop, we have some Metamorphosis. We have, let's see what else. A bunch of LA Colors, you guys know. Ione Cosmetics. I want to stick with the more like wearable vibe. And we have an e.l.f. one down there. Kind of want to pull this, but let's keep looking. And then last drawer is this. I think I'm just gonna, well, actually, you know what? No, because I always use that. I haven't really been using this. The Essentially Ageless, what is this called? Luminizing Blush. Not sure what shade this is, but this is from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Next, we have highlights. We have my Aha Revolution. We have a bunch of Pawpaw highlights. Beauty Bay. Actually, I haven't purchased from Beauty Bay in a long time. Crazy. We also have this drawer here, which is just Ione Cosmetics. We have, ooh, what about this? Literally haven't used this one in a long time, and it's such a good quality highlight. The Pixi by Petra highlight. This one here is in Delicate Dew, so I'm gonna pull this. All right, so I thought we'd start out at the bottom and just work our way up, just to switch things up a little bit. So I'm not really too happy with the bronzer that I chose, so I'm kind of leaning towards another face palette. I know I had this in, I think, a couple months ago, so I think I'm gonna pull my favorite City Color Contour Effects palette, which, if you guys haven't seen this, is so good. Looks like so. It's actually a really good bronzer palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. All right, so I feel we're gonna go a little faster since I'm pulling 2 drawers at a time. I don't know why I've never done this, but basically in this drawer we have my powders. Girl, this one is so good, from Temu. I have been loving using this one, so I'm going to pull the NSNS pressed powder. It really looks like so I'm going to go ahead and pull that. And do I want another one? Kind of want to finish this up, the infused pressed powder from Be Pure from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to pull this as well. All right, again, this is the other drawer. So we have mascaras, we have brow sets, we have lip glosses. So basically lip glosses, my boyfriend purchased these for me. I don't know, I think it was like Burlington or something. They have like little Barbies on them. They're so cute. But this month, kind of want to use this one a little more from Temu. This is a Beauty Glazed Lip Oil. You know what? I don't know why it's in here. Let me move it to the top. I don't know why it's in here. Okay, never mind. I'm going to choose something else. I kind of want to pull this. I haven't been able to use it. The Other Colors Juicy Lip Gloss in Watermelon. It's just stunning, and I just haven't used it at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. All right, next we have this drawer here. Oh, so I don't know if I showed you guys that I literally have the dupe for the NYX brow glue. So this is the Huda Story the brow glue for eyebrows. For lashes, I kind of want to choose something that I've been loving just because I'm not doing falsies for work. You know what? I haven't used this that much either. The Kaja Beauty. I kind of want to pull two. So we'll pull the Kaja Beauty Mascara Trio. We'll also do this Sky High from Pudaier mascara as well. Alright, for brows, this is a little difficult because, well, no. I think I'll pull the Temu Easy Brow Contouring Situation. I haven't used this in a while. Not sure what else I should pull with that. Okay, I'll do the Frida Kahlo Chic Glam Brow Pen. And I think this is dark brown or something. Yeah, so this is called their Brow Iconic Liquid Brow Pen. And again, I think this is dark brown. I honestly don't know, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this as well. All right, next drawers are liquid blushes, bronzers, and highlights, and lipsticks and lip liners. Girls, you guys know what I love. So I'm going to choose my two favorite lip liners for BECKISUE New York just because I know I interchange them a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull them. I kind of want to do one from Physicians Formula, from the Breakfast Club collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Breakfast Club, the Princess lipstick. This one here is in, what shade are you? I don't like Mondays. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. Let me show you guys the color. So beautiful. And next we are in this drawer. Literally don't know what I want to choose, to be completely honest. I think I'm just gonna go very easy vibes. I'm gonna pull both of my Lake Rain products from Temu again. You guys know I love Temu products, but I have a highlight and a bronzer in these two. And let's do a blush. Oh, I want to pull the Young Vision liquid blush in the shade Love Cake. Next we have my liquid lipsticks and my foundations and my concealers. For concealer, okay, let's do foundation first. So I literally don't know what I want. I want something good. Okay, so I kind of want to finish this up. I've had this for such a long time. LA Colors Truly Matte Longwear Foundation. I haven't really been reaching for it. What is that? So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this in the shade Warm Honey. Also choosing the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. And this one here is in the shade Natural to go along with that. Liquid lipstick. I kind of want to do something... I don't know. I haven't been reaching for my liquid lipsticks as often. Ooh, I'm gonna pull the Chic Glam Java Kiss lip gloss and liquid lipstick duo. All right, next we have my fun drawer and my primer drawer. So for primer, okay, how about we do e.l.f. liquid poreless primer, and I'll do the one from Temu, the Power Primer. I'll just pull these two. Fun drawer, I'm thinking I want one of these single shadows from Away Studio. Pull this one. No, I had that one in last time. I think I did a look with that. This one here too, I did a video using Petticoat. Haven't used this one at all, but I'm honestly not feeling that shade. Ooh, how about we pull this Away Studio Loose Pigment. Here's in the shade Spell, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Liquid liners and my pencil liners in here. So I'm thinking brown is gonna be the vibe. So I kind of want to do Ione Cosmetics Fat Chubby Stick in Bali Gaze. I want to do Away Studio Artista. What else? LA Colors Gel Eyeliner in brown, even though I haven't really been doing lower lash line. And then I'll do one black liner. Kind of want to use this one from Kaja, and this is their Wing Stamp Liner without just a little stamp. So I'm going to pull these four. And for a setting spray, we have this going on. What I want to pull for the month, honestly, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to keep using this Pudaier Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray for the month, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull this. And lastly, usually we start here, but I'm ending with lip glosses, lip oils, lip balms, all of that. So I did move this one up here, but I don't think I want to pull that. We have a few of these Metamorphosis lip oils. So I kind of want to choose from these right here. We also have a lip plumper. So I'm kind of feeling this one here, Metamorphosis lip oil in Flor de Calabaza. That looks stunning, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Alright guys, so that is everything for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. and I'll see you guys on the next upload. Don't forget that I have a whole Shop My Stash playlist linked down below, so if you want to catch up on my last ones, you can click on the link down there. But yes, super excited to use all this makeup. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.